Easy steps and information to apply US visa B1 B2 category. B1 B2 visa is a sticker visa which can be submitted online and the validity is 10 years with multiple entries. There are two appointments required, one for photo and biometric submission and one for interview. We have listed few details that can be used while applying the US B1 B2 visa. It will be helpful if you gather this information prior to applying the visa. Please make sure these details are the correct details that you are going to use while applying for the visa application. These details belongs to few personal detail and few travel detail and few professional detail that is required during visa application. Please find the link for applying B1 B2 US visa where you have to first sign up using code that will be received via email and you have to confirm your email address with the code. Open the link for applying B1 B2 US visa where you can see the non-immigrant visa section. There you have to expand the non-immigrant visa section and just click for the visa appointment. Click on the non-immigration visa section and proceed ahead. There you will be able to see the visa login section where you have to proceed ahead to create your login. To start a visa application, we have to create a credential in the visa application website for US visa where we have to sign in and give all the details that is required as per the US visa website. Then you will be receiving a email code where you have to confirm your email using that code. Then we have to sign in to the visa application website where we have to create a new visa application form and fill up all the details that we have already mentioned before this particular clip. Then we have to process the payment and schedule our appointment. After successful payment, you will be receiving an email notification along with the payment receipt. You will receive an email notification where you can see all the related details for your appointment. You can see the place and the time slot where you need to present for this appointment and the interview schedule. In the same mail, you will be able to see different guidelines about what kind of photos, what are the different rules of the appointment, and what are the details about the appointment centers you need to focus on. Now we have to fill up the DS-160 form, that is a non-immigrant declaration form. We have included the link for your reference. We have included a small clip about how to start an DS-160 application. Make sure all the details provided in DS-160 should be similar to the visa application form you have submitted earlier. There should not be any mismatch. Along with that, we have also shown one clip where we can retrieve the existing application for any kind of modification. Please find a sample DS-160 form for your reference. After successful completion of visa application form on DS-160 and the successful scheduling of your appointment, you will be getting reminder prior to 5 days about your appointments. There are few myths about applying B1 B2 visa where Form 16 is not required, account statement, flight or hotel booking or invitation letter is never required. The document are compulsory required are original passport, DS-116 form, and you can keep your old passport, payment confirmation printout and appointment mail printout and the cover letter as a precaution for backup. These are few recommendations for a good interview. Be confident while answering. Listen carefully before answering the interviewer. Dress gently. Should show strong ties with home country. Good international travel history is a bonus. Few questions that the interviewer asks during our visa appointment. Where do you work and what's your work profile? With whom you will be traveling? Tell us about your family. Have you ever traveled internationally? Name few countries that you have traveled. Few points to note. You will be informed about your visa approval status during that interview. Bags and mobiles are not allowed for any appointments. Make sure all the information matches properly with visa application submitted and the DS-160 declaration form. Make sure to carry your original passport and DS-160 form. With additional delivery service and charges, get your sticker visa delivered along with your passport at your doorstep. Shared a sample copy of cover letter for your reference in case you need this. Sometimes you will see some notification about your photograph collected. For this, you need to take a hard copy of your photograph so that it will be produced in case of need. After successful processing of your visa, you will be getting an email notification where you will be able to see the delivery status of your visa. I hope you have got all the information you are looking for in this video. In case you need more information, you can comment below for that. Please do like, share, and subscribe